Hello fellow drivers, today I'm going to quickly show you how to view back and play back the video that you've recorded. Once again, to get into your menu setting, you must make sure that you are not recording, so hit the OK button. You'll see an M for mode. That is your camera mode, and here is your playback mode. So you'll see B will stand for the back or rear camera. A will be your front camera recordings. If you see a key there, those will be videos that have been locked and saved. And you'll just use the down arrow to scroll through your videos. Once you've seen your video, you can just hit OK, and then you'll see your playback. All right, once you do that, you just continue to hit the mode button. And that'll get you back to your recording mode with the video icon. Hit OK, and now you are back to recording. That is a quick, easy tutorial on how to play back your video. Thank you for watching.